In this tutorial, I'll show you how to move games to another hard drive. By the end, you'll have your new drive added to Steam and your selected game moved over without reinstalling. First, we'll add the new library so Steam knows where to place the game files. Open Steam. In the top left, click Steam, then click Settings. In the Settings window, go to Storage. This is where Steam lists all library folders it can use. If your new drive is already listed here, you're set and can continue to the move. If not, we'll add it now. Click Add Drive, the plus icon. In the Add a Drive panel, select your new drive from the list. Click Add. Steam will create a Steam library folder on that drive and add it to your storage list. You should now see the new drive alongside your existing one. At this point, the destination is ready. Well, now we'll move the installed game. Go back to the top of Steam and click Library. In your game list, find the game you want to move. Right-click the game and click Properties. In the Properties window, switch to Installed Files on the left. This tab shows where the game is currently stored. Click Move Install Folder. A window will open with your available Steam library folders. Select the new drive you just added. Click Move to begin. Steam will copy the game files from the old drive to the new one and update its records automatically. This process can take a while for large games. Keep Steam open and let it finish. Your save data and settings stay intact, and Steam handles the file move safely, so you don't need to delete or reinstall anything. Once the move completes, you'll see the new install location listed under Installed Files. You can close the Properties window. The game is now on the new hard drive. To confirm, you can click the game and launch it as usual. It will run the same as before, just from the new location. That's it. You opened Steam, added your new drive in Settings under Storage, and then move the game by right-clicking it in your library, going to Properties, Installed Files, choosing Move Install Folder, selecting the new drive, and clicking Move. Your game is now successfully moved to another hard drive and ready to play. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.